After this whole ordeal, I have decided that I'm tired. I'm one of those naturals who are just tired. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I tried to color my hair myself. I didn't take my own advice, and I tried to do it on my own, and it just didn't work. It didn't work, and now I've reached the point of no return, and now I'm in repair crisis mode at this point. But the goal was for me to go back to blonde, because I tried to go to red over the winter because I wanted to switch it up a little bit, do something different. But when I went to red and I was waiting for the toner to wash out, it was not washing out nearly as fast as the previous treatments I've had before. All right, so let's get into why I thought it was a good idea to color my own hair. Well, one, it wasn't a good idea. I knew that from Jump Street because I've always trusted professionals to do that. But given the time frame and the stylists that I usually work with for this, none of them were available anytime soon, and I just did not have time in my schedule to like cancel my own appointments, to make my own appointment, and it was just doing too much. So I figured it could be a quick, easy thing. All I'm doing is just stripping what's left of the red out and going back to blonde. So yeah, I used the Colors app to try and lift what was left of the red out of my hair, and to get it back to a higher blonde color. And then the plan was to tone it back to the blonde that I was going for. When I used the Colors app, apparently I may have used too much of it, or I may have had it on too long, and I ended up with like a whole bunch of I had like a skunk stripe on this side and on this side. And I had colored basically all of the nape of my neck, and it just was not looking cute. And it was like super brassy. Everything I tried, including like the purple shampoo, just did not kill the brassiness at all. I watched a couple more videos, and I went to try and get a blue or violet based toner to cancel out all the orange in my head. That ended up kind of turning it more of like a green. Trust me, I love green, but it was not the flattering green color that I was going for. Well, anyways, after all of that, I forgot that my sister-in-law is a hairstylist. So I don't know what I was thinking. I really thought, I guess because I'm a DIYer, that I was just going boom, 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 knock this out, and it just didn't happen. So I called my sister-in-law and I was like, look, this is what I did. I screwed up. Can you help me? She was so kind enough to drive 45 minutes to come correct what she could of my color, and she did a great job re-dyeing my roots back to their normal color, and she was able to tone this a little bit. It came out a decent even color. Like, she was able to get it to an even color, but there was only so much she could do because there was so much I had messed up. So thank you so much, sister-in-law. You are the MVP. After this whole ordeal, I have decided that I'm tired. I'm one of those naturals who are just tired of everything that we have to do with our hair, and especially this year, I just got too much going on. And I've already decided that when I hit a very important age milestone, I'm going to chop all this off anyway. So I decided also that if I'm going to hit that milestone, I want to see if I can go on another growth journey and see how far I could go. I already know that I've stunted a lot of my growth by doing all this color work, but I really feel like I need to get back into like a moisture routine, just not mess with it for a while, because it's just too much going on. So yeah, I made a plan, wrote it down. Thankfully, I already have an arsenal of wigs to show you guys. I have a couple of protective styles to show you guys. I have some crochets. Like, it's about to be on and popping for the rest of this year, because this right here, I'm over it. I don't want to see it again until next year. And we'll do a length check and everything. I went and got one of those little fancy shirts with the lines on the back. I'm not going to do one today because when my sister-in-law corrected my hair, she also did some trimming and shaped it up really nice. Right now, it's probably right about collarbone length or so. And I just want to see if I can get probably close to bra strap length, or maybe waist length, before I hit that milestone. So stay Stay tuned for that journey. That's going to be probably an uphill battle, but we'll see. Anyways, first up, initial unboxing, cutting and styling. Now let's fast forward to today and see how this baby looks. Alright, so I set my hair in some twists. I just wet it and put some leave-in conditioner on it and oiled my scalp. I'll leave what I used in the description box below. It's wet, but typically by the time it dries up, everything kind of shrinks up. It don't matter because this is all going underneath cap. This is something that I used to do way back in the day when I was just all natural, like no heat challenges and whatnot. I used to like constantly keep my hair moisturized under things. I would do overnight conditioners. I'm gonna go back to doing that. Yeah, this is gonna be the routine for a while. This little silicone on the inside saves me a lot of trouble. I do have like a silicone headband that I wear under my wigs a lot, but I don't need it because this already has it. So I didn't cut a whole lot out of this. I did mostly just pin the hair up where I wanted it to go. So I'm just taking some bobby pins and pinning it where I want it to go. Right, I got me some earrings. These are really cute. I got these from Amazon. I'll link them below. I was trying not to get too scissor happy because I like to cut my crochets pretty short, especially right now because it's so hot. I was trying not to get too scissor happy, but yeah, you can go as short as you want to with this. I think I'm ready to go. Again, this is the Equal by Freetress, the Curlified 5x5 hand-tied crochet wig. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below, everything including the outfit, earrings, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I got to go, so thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Shake and Go, for hooking a sister up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel out so much. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm much more active on Instagram and TikTok. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!